Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Good morning, welcome to the Forex Daily Video Research. Today the Monday 15th November, and today we will talk again about the euro currency. Well, current research will be a bit larger than usual because we have to look at the larger time frames, such as weekly and monthly time frames, just to see some important moments, because it's very crucial for the possible currency move in nearest time. Well, and we will start from the monthly chart of EURUSD. We didn't ever take a look at this chart before, so the very important moment right here on the monthly chart is the level of overbought, monthly overbought. Although the monthly trend is bullish right now, so we can see that this signal has been confirmed by the market closed and confirmed the shifting trend to the bullish. At the same time, we can see that during the second month in a row, market just stands with the monthly overbought, and also this is the Fibonacci support. This is 618 support from this high to this low, 138.95. Although it has been penetrated twice already, this I think that very weak Fibonacci support. Also, this is the 50% resistance from this high to this low, from the whole swing move to the down. But this is not the big deal about the Fibonacci resistances, because as I said, this already has been broken. The next Fibonacci resistance, by the way, just above the market, 144.16 right here. The major point is the monthly overbought level around 140.57. This target is over, this level rather is overbought for the November. Look at how market usually acts in the normal price action. Market hit overbought and moved to the oversold. This was in general the mortgage crisis. This is not the normal price action. This was the run during the Greek crisis. So this is not absolutely normal. But in the normal price action, market hit overbought, reach oversold, overbought, oversold, overbought. So market is struggling with the moving above this area, and this is the very important moment, because I can't expect the just fast continuation of this leg to the upside. Market should normalize the overbought, some stay for this for a while in here, or show some move to the downside before it can continue move to the upside, if it will intend to at all. Okay. Also some warnings, some signs here that warns me a bit on the monthly chart. Look at this sell-off, deep retracement 618, here 786, I suppose, even from this high to this lows. Again, continuation, taking out this previous lows, deep retracement. So I can't exclude the 100% expansion from this ABC top pattern just below the market. Well, usually when the logical profit objective stands just below the previous lows, very often market returns back and hit this area. It's a bit early to talk about this, but this is really important. Okay, and this moving during the recent couple of years makes me think that it could happen really. But generally, for the coming week, the very important moment just is here, that I can't expect that market can continue move to the downside to the weekly target, because market at monthly oversold. So this is the daily time frame. Here's the weekly time frame. There's also a couple of important moments, as we talked about previously. Look at this pattern, ABC bottom, market hit 618 and 100 expansion and hit weekly overbought. So when this had happened, usually market before reaching the 100% 1618 expansion target shows some deep retracement. Usually this 618 retracement from the recent swing from this high to this low, from this low to this high rather, market should reach 618 support. This is normal price action. Well, another important moment that market really could start move to the upside from this area, because this is also the solid support, monthly pivot support around 136.14 and Fibonacci support around 136.31. This is also the nice area of support, and I can't exclude that market can show some move up from this area, but I can't we can't count on the possible move directly to the 150, because monthly market stands at monthly overbought area. Although we can see that weekly was overbought a bit higher, but in general monthly overbought will struggle with the possibility of market move higher. That's why we can expect a couple of things. First of all, market can continue move to the downside till this area of support. This is the crucial support and the key level for the continuation of up move. This is the conference support weekly from this low to this high, 1618 support 132.32, and from this low to this high 382 support from the whole move to the upside. Also, this is monthly pivot support 2, and take a look, this is very interesting. Red line is a MACD predictor. It comes in play in this area. So if market will continue move to the downside and will show some MACD predictive failure patterns, well, this is will give us the additional confidence that market can continue move to the upside. Well, until this area can hold the market, and market just can turn to the consolidation, because it can't move higher due to monthly overbought, but it can go lower because this is the nice area of support. The market can stand there for some time. Now let's take a look at the daily time frame. Very many important moments right here. First of all, as you remember, this was the daily butterfly 127 butterfly pattern. This works perfectly, and market starts the straight sell-off after this reaching the target. The target of the butterfly, as I said, 1618 expansion from the whole butterfly move from this low to this high. 1618 expansion is right here, precisely at the area of weekly support that we have just talked about. Also, due to classical Murphy technical analysis, if the market break out the range to the downside, usually it should go to the direction of the breakout. It means to the downside, the width of the range. So if we just count the width to the downside, it also will be in this area of support. This is important. Now about the recent price action, we can see that this was real straight off. Look at this pattern, ABC top, market hit 618, 100% expansion, and hasn't quite reached 1618, around 135.19 area. Well, as I said, when the just important logical profit objective just below the market, and this target is above the oversold, so that's absolutely logical. I do not have much confidence in establishing a long position until the market will hit this area, because market very often revisit the targets and then starts move to the upside. For the coming week, the major question is if market will show some retracement to the upside, will it be the starting of the continuation of the weekly move to the upside, or it will be just a retracement from this leg? Well, if we see this leg, this will really straight sell off. Market open on the high, close at the low, very strong bars to the downside. Market breaks down this range and hit the strong area of support, so market can bounce a bit higher. And personally, I will be looking for solution on the lower time frame. Just for information, look at this. This is the weekly pivot point for the coming week, around 137.79. This is weekly pivot support 1 for the coming week, is 134.80. These very important moments for the coming week, and here's why. This is the 4-hour chart. We can see nice sell-off. By the way, look at this pattern, ABC top. Remember what I told about this area when the market started calling this range. I said until market won't hit this area, I will not establish this long position. So that has happened. Market clear out, reach this area, and then retraced up. So this can happen again. Look at this, the 100% expansion from this ABC top just below the market, around 135.12. Very close to the weekly pivot support one, around 134.80. So market can reach this area first and then continue move to the upside. At the same time, if market will start move to the upside, before it reaches this area. Okay, look at this recent pattern. A, B, C top, 618 expansion target just above the previous highs around 137.82, precisely at weekly pivot point, just above the market 4-hour conference resistance 138.17, 138.39, and 100% expansion from this ABC bottom pattern, this recent smaller ABC. Well, the major answer for the possible question of will it be just retracement or market can show some deeper move to the upside will be the response of the market to this area of resistance, because this is really strong resistance just above also the monthly pivot point. Okay, so this area is really strong resistance. If market just flirting with it and failed here, so we can expect at least move to the 135.12 and 134.80 weekly pivot support 1. Okay, but if market will break it to the upside, the next target will be 1618 expansion, weekly pivot resistance 1 around 139.90, and Fibonacci resistance 140.05 from this high to this low. Okay, this is my trading plan for the beginning of the next week. I will be tracking, as been said, I will be tracking the market response to this area. If market will show open here somewhere around this area and starts move to the upside, track this area. If market will fail there, the target is weekly pivot support 1, 134.80, 135.12. If it will break it to the upside, then the target 139.90, 139.87, 100% expansion from this ABC move. Also, I have to warn you that possibly due to monthly overbought level, market just can shift to the consolidation and to shift to the trading environment. Very often, guys, you ask me what do you mean about the trading environment. It means that market will be predict well on the intraday time frame. It means, for example, we can establish our targets on the intraday chart. So market hit 100% expansion, start to retracement to the downside, we start to calculate targets on the downside. So it will be analyzed well on the intraday charts, but on the daily time frame it will be just calling. So it can shift to the consolidation, because just under the market strong levels of support, but above the market monthly overbought area. We can exclude that fact. But in general, I have the sense that the bearish bias for the market now is greater than the bullish. So I still think that market can reach 133 area of support. This will be absolutely logical due to monthly overbought and due to weekly price action.